all we have to do is bike.
Right.
Trike. Bike. Trike.
Keep going.
You can do it.
You got it.
Every time I get stuck, I just need to move my pedal a bit.
Yep.
That's all I need to do.
That's all you need to do.
That's it.
Do you want me to help you get going?
No.
Watch where you're going. Good job, buddy.
You know what? Pretty soon, we'll be able to go for walks, and you'll be able to bike along beside me and Mom.
How good you're doing.
You biked all the way across that parking lot. Wait, watch where you're going.
Look at you. Are you proud of yourself?
What?
Are you proud of yourself?
You're about to get free.
Ah, are you proud?
Yep.
I am.
And I caught you.
You caught me.